TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida, 3 p.m. Eastern time on Thursday, final hour of the trading day. And taking a look across the board, you got indices in the red. Russell 2000, the only major index currently in the green, up 10 points or 0.6%, 0.6 at 1702. You get the Nasdaq negative 21 or about 0.3%, trading at 7833. S&P is currently negative by 8, trading at 2807, and Dow Jones negative 104 points, trading at 25,095. We'll start things off. I happen to have Amazon up there right now, down about 1.2% on the day so far, after quite an acceleration earlier in the week with their Prime Day. And to start out with the VIX Volatility Index, getting a little bit of volatility today, still a 12 handle, spiked above 13 at one point, but still relatively low volatility premium in this market. Jumping over to the Nadex platform, we'll start off with the Dow 30. So basically in the middle of the trading range that we've had for most of the day, currently trading 25,079 in the Dow. Nasdaq 100, pretty similar story, similar chart, right in the middle of the range we've had for most of the day, trading at 73.74. S&P 500, maybe you could call it towards the higher end of that range, just off the highs that we made at about 2 o'clock of 28.12, currently trading 28.08 in the S&P September contract. Crude oil with some volatility, quite an acceleration from about 6:30, trading from 66.62 all the way until 10, trading at 68.74. You're talking about more than $2 in just 4 hours in the price of crude, and from there bouncing around a bit, 68.11 currently in crude. Bitcoin trading at 74.20, holding those 7,500 price targets for Bitcoin. And gold, how about it? So here's where we get into the story of the afternoon, and let's just jump to it as you have the dollar gains wiped out and Treasury yields lower as Trump criticizes the Fed. And that is the big story out there. So you have President Trump in an interview, I believe, with Joe Kernan on CNBC, and they aired a portion of it. And in that, Trump in the interview talking about that he is not thrilled in terms of talking about interest rates and interest rates, dollars, either way. Hitting the dollar and gold getting a pop on that news. Gold from this morning was down there at about 12.12, spiked all the way up to 12.28 at one point, now pulling back a bit, 12.21. And there's your reaction in the euro US dollar. As that dollar weakened, you saw euro gaining some strength on President Trump's words and then pulling back a bit. Euro dollar trading 116.43. Stay tuned. Should be an exciting hour, final hour in the market. Tom O'Brien coming up right now for the Tom O'Brien Show, live 3 till 5. Have a great Thursday.